Hello students, how are you? Fine? Good. In the last class, we discussed electrophilic substitution reactions on benzene. Right? Benzene will undergoing nitration, halogenation, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts reaction and Garderman reactions. Right? These are the electrophilic substitution reactions that will take place on benzene. Last class, nitration, sulfonation, halogenation we already discussed. Today we will discuss about Friedel-Crafts reactions. Right? Right. So myself, Dr. Ashok Reddy, we are watching Ashok Reddy chemistry classes. Right? Today we will start today's class. Electrophilic substitution reactions, continuation. Electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions, continuation. Right. Today we will discuss about Friedel-Crafts reactions. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Right. Today we will discuss Friedel-Crafts reaction, which is an electrophilic substitution reaction on benzene. Friedel-Crafts reactions are of two types. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation and second one Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. Right. So Friedel-Crafts alkylation and the Friedel-Crafts acylation, two types of Friedel-Crafts reaction. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation, R plus is the electrophile, carbocation. R plus is the electrophile. In Friedel-Crafts acylation, RCO plus is the electrophile. RCO plus is the electrophile. Right. This is called the acylium ion. Acylium ion. Acylium ion. That is carbocation. Right. So Friedel-Crafts alkylation, carbocation. R plus is the electrophile. In Friedel-Crafts acylation, acylium ion is the electrophile. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Right, electrophilic substitution reaction on benzene. So coming to the reaction, when benzene reacts with alkyl halide, benzene reacts with alkyl halide in presence of AlCl3, Lewis acid. AlCl3 should be anhydrous. The reason I explained in the last class. Right. So when benzene reacts with alkyl halide in presence of AlCl3 catalyst. Right. AlCl3 is a Lewis acid. AlCl3 should be anhydrous. That I explained in the last class why it should be anhydrous. Right. Right. What is happening here? There are three lone pair of electrons on chlorine. This lone pair of electrons, one of the lone pair will form a coordinate complex with the AlCl3. Why? Because AlCl3 is a electron deficient. Right. It has only 6 electrons on its outer shell. Right. It needs 2 more electrons to get octet electronic configuration. So after that, what is happening? So this bond pair shift towards chlorine. Then electrophile will generate on CH3. Then so here it is a hydrogen. Then one electrophile will come inside and another electrophile will go outside. It's electrophilic substitution reaction. Then the product formed is methyl benzene. The product formed is methyl benzene. This is also known as toluene. Methyl benzene, toluene, we can common name. Right. So this is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Benzene reacts with the alkyl halide in presence of AlCl3 anhydrous and so low temperature reaction. It's a low temperature reaction. So what will happen if we increase the temperature? We will discuss at the end of the topic. Right. So this is the word Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So coming to the mechanism, for one example we will write the mechanism, for another example we will directly write the products, right? So coming to the mechanism, we discussed in the last class, mechanism has three steps, right? Step 1, generation of the electrophile. Step 1, generation of the electrophile. So methyl chloride, first step, reacts with the catalyst AlCl3. So what is happening here? So it is the generation of the electrophile. There are 3 lone pair of electrons on chlorine. So it forms a coordinate complex with the AlCl3. Right? So it is happening. So what is happening here? So CH3, Cl, positive charge here, and there is a weak bond between Cl and AlCl3. Right? So one of the lone pair forms a coordinate complex with AlCl3. Then there is a weak bond between chlorine and AlCl3. So after some time, what is happening here? This bond becomes strong and this bond becomes weak. So after that, so this bond pair will shift towards chlorine. Right? So then what is happening here? So generation of the electrophile CH3 plus AlCl4 minus. Right? So this is the electrophile in present reaction. Right? So the second step, attack of the electrophile. What is happening here? Right? Benzene reacts with the electrophile. What is electrophile here? CH3 plus. Right? CH3 plus. Right? So electron shift from here to here to give benzene, double bond, positive charge here, CH3 and H. Right? So this is a sigma complex. This positive charge is stabilized by double bond, sigma bond, sigma bond, pi, sigma, right? So this is type of complex we will call as a sigma complex. This is the most stable intermediate. This is the intermediate formed in the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, right? We can call, so okay, we can write the sigma complex directly. This is the sigma complex, more stable form, okay? So this is the sigma complex, hydrogen, CH3, this is the sigma complex. Sigma complex in Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In sigma complex in electrophilic substitution reaction. The third step, removal of the old electrophile. Removal of old electrophile. Positive charge CH3 H. Right. So we have conjugate base AlCl4 minus. That will abstract a proton from here to give methyl benzene. As a product, then HCl is the side product. Right. So this is about the mechanism of the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Right. Step 1, generation of the electrophile, attack of the electrophile, removal of the electrophile, then we will get the methyl benzene as a product in benzene reacts with the methyl chloride. Right. Coming to the next example, benzene. Next example, benzene reacts with ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride in presence of AlCl3 anhydrous at low temperature. Always remember low temperature to give what is happening here. Right. So I will write. So no need to write mechanism every time. I will write the product directly. What is happening here? 3 lone pair of electrons on chlorine. One of the lone pair forms a complex with AlCl3. As a result, what will happen? First, there is a weak bond between chlorine and AlCl3. Right. So after that, this bond becomes strong and this bond becomes weak. So this bond undergoing cleavage to give a carbocation, ethyl carbocation is formed in the reaction. This is the electrophile that will attack on benzene, right? So one electrophile will come inside and the other electrophile will go outside to give a product ethyl benzene. Ethyl benzene, CH2, CH3, ethyl benzene. This is ethyl benzene, right? So coming to next example, benzene reacts with propyl chloride. CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl in presence of AlCl3 anhydrous. Right. Right. When benzene reacts with the propyl chloride in presence of AlCl3 catalyst. Right. Now just remember, when benzene reacts with methyl chloride, we will get a methyl benzene, toluene. When benzene reacts with ethyl chloride, we will get ethyl benzene. Right. So similarly, so we will think that the product expected to be CH2, CH2 and CH3. So why? Because what is happening here? So initially there is no doubt. There is a lone pair of electrons on chlorine forms a coordinate complex with AlCl3. After that, weak bond between these two. After that, this bond becomes strong. Then this bond undergoing cleavage. Then we will get a positive charge here. Right. So what is the electrophile here? CH3, CH2, CH2. So this is the electrophile. There is no doubt. Right. After that, this electrophile will attack on benzene to give that compound. Right. Right. But this is wrong answer. We won't get propyl benzene in this reaction. That is a wrong answer. Why? Okay, so you can see up to here there is no problem. Okay, coordinate complex, so breakage of this bond, we will get a electrophile, right? But from here, what is happening? So this is a primary carbocation. This is a primary carbocation. So primary carbocation. Right. We know that carbocation is the intermediate in Friedel-Crafts alkylation. And in this particular reaction, primary carbocation is formed as a electrophile as intermediate. Right. So remember at one point in any reaction, if a carbocation is formed as a intermediate, then that carbocation will undergo rearrangement. Right. In any reaction, if carbocation is formed as a intermediate, that will undergo rearrangement. Right. This is a primary carbocation that will undergo rearrangement. So always remember stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation. So stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation. The stability order is tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation is more stable than primary. Correct. So note down this point. Stability order of carbocation, tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation. Here we got primary carbocation, right? So since it is a carbocation, so any reaction if carbocation formed as an intermediate, there is a chance of rearrangement. So what rearrangement is formed here? So we will get a rearrangement like this: 1,2 hydride shift. 1,2 hydride shift will take place here. 1,2 hydride shift. Okay. So after that, what is happening here? CH3, CH2 plus then CH3. After 1,2 hydride shift. What is this? This is a secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation. You can see this secondary carbocation is more stable than the primary carbocation. Right. That's why the secondary carbocation will attack on benzene, give a product, this one. We will get this product as a main product. CH, CH3, CH3. Okay, this is the main product we will get. This is isopropyl benzene. So isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene we will usually call it as cumin. Usually called it as cumin, common name. Correct. Isopropyl benzene is formed as a main product in the reactor, right? So see the logic. So since it is a carbocation, that will undergoing rearrangement, right? So secondary carbocation is more stable than the primary carbocation, right? Okay. So now we will continue to the next example. So here benzene reacts with CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, Cl, AlCl3 anhydrous. Write the product form when benzene reacts with this alkyl halide. Right. Write the product formed when benzene reacts with this alkyl halide. Right. What is happening here? So lone pair of electrons forms a coordinate complex with AlCl3. So there is a weak bond between chlorine and AlCl3. So that bond becomes strong. After that, this bond becomes weak. So this bond becomes weak and it will undergo cleavage to get a carbocation here. Right. So we will get a carbocation here. Right. CH3, CH, CH3 and the CH2 plus is the carbocation. Right. This is the carbocation form. So what is this carbocation? This is a primary carbocation. This is primary carbocation. Right. So already we discussed in any reaction if carbocation formed as an intermediate that will undergo rearrangement. So there is a chance of rearrangement for this carbocation. Right. What it will so here 1,2 shift has to take place. So here last time in the previous example 2 hydrogens are present. So that's why so to get stability 1,2 hydride shift will take place. Here 1 hydrogen and CH3. Right. So note down one point. Order of migrating group. Order of migrating group. Order of migrating group. Order of migrating group. It is first hydride ion will shift. Then methyl will shift. Then phenyl will shift. This is the order of migrating group. First hydride will shift, later methyl, later phenyl. Here, so hydride and methyl is there. So definitely, so hydride shift will take place. 1,2 hydride shift, right? So CH3, C, CH3, CH3. Then there is a positive charge here. Okay. So for clear understand, I will write like this: hydrogen, right? Hydride shift. Okay, 1,2 hydride shift. Then we will get carbocation. So what is this carbocation? This is a tertiary carbocation. This is tertiary carbocation. So initially we got primary carbocation. After 1,2 hydride shift, we got tertiary carbocation. Tertiary carbocation much more stable than the primary carbocation. From here, there is no need to rearrange. Why? Because if it is undergoing rearrangement, so from here to here, again we will get the primary. From here to here, again we will get primary. Here to here, primary. So that's why no need to undergoing further rearrangement from tertiary carbocation. So this is the electrophile that will attack on benzene to give a compound benzene. So this is formed. Okay. CH3 tertiary butyl benzene. CH3 in the CH3. Right. This is the product form. Right. Benzene. Write the product formed when benzene reacts with CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH2, Cl in presence of AlCl3 catalyst anhydrous. AlCl3 catalyst anhydrous AlCl3 catalyst. Right. Write the product form. Right. So what is happening? So lone pair of electrons form a coordinate complex with AlCl3, then weak bond between chlorine and AlCl3, then so this bond becomes strong, this bond becomes weak, so there is a cleavage of this bond will take place, then shift of bond pair towards chlorine takes place, then we will get a carbocation like this CH3, C, CH3 and CH3, CH2 plus. Okay, this is a primary carbocation. This is primary carbocation. This primary carbocation generally it is a less stable. So there is a possibility for rearrangement. So which will happen. So here only adjacent carbon 2 methyl groups are there. So there is no other option. So 1,2 methyl CH3 minus shift will take place. So to give so like this. Okay, what is happening? CH3 C CH3 positive charge CH2. So that already shifted from methyl group, shift from this to here. This is a tertiary carbocation. Right, tertiary carbocation. This is more stable than primary carbocation. This carbocation will attack and this one. This acting as a electrophile. However, this is more stable than the primary. Then the product formed is benzene, right? C, CH3, CH3, CH2 and CH, right? So this is about Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Now to write the product formed when benzene reacts with CH3, CH2, CH, Cl, CH3. Okay, in presence of AlCl3 anhydrous. Directly. You can write directly. Example 1. 2. When benzene reacts with, we will write similar example. CH3, I will put one methyl group here. CH, Cl, CH3 in the same condition, AlCl3 anhydrous. Then example 3, when benzene reacts with CH3, 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 CH, chloro, CH3 in presence of AlCl3, in presence of AlCl3 anhydrous, right? So write directly the product. So when benzene reacts with alkyl halide, what is happening here? So lone pair of electrons forms a coordinate complex with AlCl3. Then so shift of bond pair from here to here. So initially carbocation is formed. What is this carbocation? Initially it is a secondary carbocation, right? So initially secondary carbocation is formed. From here there are two possibilities. So from here to here shift takes place. If that is happening, we will end up with primary carbocation. So that is even less stable than the secondary. Okay, here to here shift, it is not recommendable. So other possibility is from here to here. So if it is shift from here, 1,2 shift will take place. What is happening here? Suppose if it is 1,2 hydride shift, then so what type of intermediate will get? CH3. Okay, so there is no difference actually. CH plus CH2 and CH3 both are same. Okay. So that means the product formed is CH. Anything is okay. So both are same. Both products are same. Okay. After rearrangement, before rearrangement, both are secondary carbocation. Anything can attack on benzene. So the product is this one. Okay. Note down. So only like this product is formed. So coming to the second example, what is happening here? So initially this chloro forms a coordinate complex with AlCl3. After that this bond becomes weak. So this will undergo cleavage. Then we will get a carbocation here. Right? This is a carbocation. So this is a secondary carbocation. Right? Now again two possibilities at the secondary carbocations to undergo rearrangement. So if the rearrangement will take place from here to here, we will end up with the primary carbocation. That is not recommendable. Now from here to here. So what is happening here? Two groups are there. So methyl is there and hydrogen is there, right? So we have order of migrating group. First hydride, then methyl. So then 1,2 methyl shift will take place. 1,2 hydride shift will take place. Why? Because hydride is greater than methyl greater than phenyl. So then what is happening here? The electrophile formed is CH3, C, CH3, okay, positive charge, CH2 and the CH3. This is the carbocation form. See, 1,2 hydride shift. Okay, this hydride shifts from here to here. Then we will get this one. This what is this? This is tertiary carbocation. This is acting as a electrophile, and this will attack on benzene to give benzene, right? C, CH3, CH3, then CH2, CH2, CH. This is the product form. Okay. Now coming to last example, what is happening? Okay, chlorine forms a coordinate complex with AlCl3. Then this bond becomes weak, undergoing cleavage. Bond pair shifts towards chlorine. As a result, we will get initially carbocation here. So initially it is a secondary carbocation. that will undergoing rearrangement from here to here. It is not recommendable. So here only 2 methyl groups are there. Definitely 1,2 methyl shift will take place. Okay, 1,2 methyl shift will take place. 1,2 methyl anion shift will take place. So we will get a complex like, you know, what the complex form? CH3, C, CH3, CH, CH3 and CH3. Okay, right. This is a positive charge. This is a tertiary carbocation. So this is more stable than a secondary carbocation. So that will attack on benzene. So create a product, benzene. Okay, this carbocation, right? So C, CH3, CH3, C, CH3 and no CH. Right. So this is the product form, right? Right, product form. So this is about, these are some examples in alkyl halides. Now, we discussed a few examples that are alkyl halides, right? So alkyl halides that are undergoing Friedel-Crafts alkylation on benzene, right? So up to here we have covered main topic, right? So coming to the advanced, so in advanced, so we'll discuss not only alkyl halides, alcohols and alkenes were also undergoing Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Now we will see some examples that are based on alcohols and alkenes, okay, which will come under category of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Right. So coming to the example, when benzene reacts with alcohol, CH3, CH, OH, CH3 with the presence of H2SO4, strong acid, right? Okay. So this is also Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Don't think that okay only alkyl halides will undergoing Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So even alcohols, alkenes, even cyclopropane, simple cyclopropane also will undergoing Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So coming to example, what is happening here? There are 2 lone pair of electrons on oxygen. So it is sulfuric acid, strong acid, that will give proton. So to give, you will get a compound like this, CH3, CH, so we will get to OH2 plus CH3. So from here, what is happening? Okay, so HSO4 minus conjugate base, that will obstruct, okay. So dehydration takes place, CH3, CH plus CH3, right? So what will happen? So this is the electrophile that is formed in this alcohol. So this will attack on benzene to give isopropyl benzene. Cumene is a product. Isopropyl benzene, it is a common name. Cumene is the product formed in this particular reaction. This is also Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So coming to the next example, and benzene reacts with alkene. We will see this example, CH3, CH, double bond CH2 reacts with H3PO4, phosphoric acid, right? Benzene reacts with propene in H3PO4. So what is happening here? The double bond shift from here to here in acidic medium. Then we will get a positive charge here. This positive charge acting as a electrophile that will attack on benzene. So here also we will get a cumene as a product. CH, CH3 cumene, isopropyl benzene is the product formed when propene reacts with H3PO4 in benzene. Coming to next example. When benzene reacts with, take the same example, propene, CH3, CH, double bond CH2 with the BF3, okay, Lewis acid. So what is happening? So it will form a complex with BF3 to get the octet electronic configuration on BF3. Then, so we will get a positive charge here. So this positive charge will attack on benzene. So we will get a isopropyl benzene in the same as a above. CH, CH3, CH3. Okay. So in all these examples, cumene is formed as a main product. Just the conclusion. Okay, so 2-propanol with H2SO4 or H3PO4 will get a carbocation that will attack on benzene, we will get a product. So propane reacts with H3PO4, even we can use here H2SO4 also. Okay, we will get cumene as a product. So when propane reacts with BF3, this is also Friedel-Crafts alkylation to give isopropyl benzene, cumene as a main product. Right. Write the product formed. Write the product formed when benzene reacts with write the product formed when benzene reacts with alcohol, cyclopropyl alcohol in presence of strong acid. In presence of the strong acid. Right. So what is happening? So hydride, so hydrogen, proton will add on here, then OH2 plus, then that is removed as a water molecule, then we will get a positive charge here. So that will act as a electrophile that will attack on benzene. So the product formed is this one. Product formed is I will write this one. Cyclopropyl benzene. Right. Cyclopropyl benzene. So OH initially H plus will attack here, OH2 plus will form, that will remove as a water molecule will be removed, then a cyclopropyl carbocation is formed, that will attack as a electrophile, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Right. So coming to the next example, write the product formed. Write the product formed. Write the product formed. CH2 AlCl3 anhydrous. Write the product form when this alkyl halide reacts with the AlCl3. So what is happening here? So this is little different than the previous examples. What is happening here? So initially, so this will form a coordinate complex with the AlCl3. There is a weak bond between chlorine and AlCl3. After that, this bond becomes strong, this bond becomes weak, then cleavage of this bond will take place. So this will shift from here to here. Then what we will get? We will get a carbocation like this. We will get a carbocation CH2 plus carbocation CH2 and then right. Now what is happening here? So this is the electrophile. Right. This electrophile, so it will attack on which ring? So it will attack on this ring. So here, where it will attack? Right. So in benzene ring, if CH2 group is present or alkyl group is present, the electrophile will attack at ortho position. Right. On benzene, if ring activating group like alkyl groups are present, then electrophile will attack at ortho position. Electrophile attack at ortho position to the ring. Ortho position to the ring. Okay. Remember the point. So when benzene ring contains ring activating groups like alkyl, then the incoming electrophile will attack ortho position to the activating group. So this is the ortho position. So this will attack here. So to give the product formed is like this. Okay. It is CH2. This is the product form. Okay, right. Okay, right. So we can write simply as like this. Right. This is the product form. Right. Write the product formed. So here we will discuss some exceptions. Write the product form when benzene reacts with cyclobutanol. Okay, cyclobutanol in presence of strong acid H3PO4. Benzene reacts with cyclobutanol in presence of H3PO4. So generally, based on our previous experience with the previous examples, so we will write a product like this. Right? Why? Because cyclopropanol reacts with H3PO4 on benzene, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, we will get cyclopropyl benzene. So similarly, we will write a cyclobutyl benzene. Right? But we wrong answer. Okay. I told this is an exception. Few exceptions are there in Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So why this it is happening? So initially, so H plus will attack on OH plus. Okay. So after that, so there is no doubt we will get a cyclobutyl OH2 plus will form after that. So removal of water molecule to give cyclobutyl carbocation. This will form. Okay. So after that, what is happening here is, so this is highly strained molecule, right? Strained molecule. So in presence of conjugate base, we will get a compound like this. After that, so in presence of acidic medium, this will open like this to give cyclopropyl CH2 plus will form. So this is the electrophile that will attack on benzene. So then the correct product formed is CH2. This is the product form. Right. So coming to the next example, this is also little exception. Write the product form. When this compound reacts with H3PO4. Okay. So what is the product found here? Okay. So we have not discussed this kind of problem. So this will give H plus. Okay. So this H plus will add on alkene. Just assume that this is the alkene, right? So we discussed okay. Butene reacts with H2SO4, okay, H3PO4 on benzene, like that. So what is happening here? The double bond shift from here to here. So we will get a carbocation like this, okay. So benzene, CH2, positive charge. So this is the electrophile. So this electrophile will attack, where it will attack? So it will attack on the same carbon, okay, same benzene ring. So what is happening here? Where it will attack? Right. So if benzene contains ring activating groups, the electrophile will attack at the ortho position, right? Electrophile will attack at the ortho position. Ortho position means this or this, both are same, okay. Then, so what is the product formed in this reaction is this one. This is the product form. When write the product form, okay, little interesting problem. Benzyl chloride reacts with AlCl3 anhydrous. Write the product form when benzyl chloride reacts with AlCl3. Okay. So option A. CH2. Option B. Okay, option B. Option C, third compound. Option C. So option fourth option. Write the product form when benzyl chloride undergoes Friedel-Crafts alkylation with AlCl3. Okay. Write the product form when benzyl chloride reacts with AlCl3. Okay. No doubt this is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation, but what is the product form? Okay. Right. The correct answer is this one. Okay. How? Let's see. I will write a fast mechanism for this one. So what is happening? So first, benzyl chloride, okay, see, it reacts with AlCl3. So then what will happen? 3 lone pair of electrons. One of the lone pair forms a coordinate complex with this one. Weak bond, initially weak bond between fluid and AlCl3. After that, this bond becomes strong and this bond becomes weak. So there is a shift of bond pairs towards Cl. So then we will get, benzyl carbocation. So this is the electrophile. So this is the electrophile that will attack on the same compound, benzyl chloride. Okay, that will attack on benzyl chloride. Right. So in the previous example, I explained. So electrophile will attack on the other compound. Where it will attack? If benzene contains activating, like this is activating group, right? So if benzene containing activating group, then electrophile attack at the ortho position, right? Electrophile will attack at the ortho position, right? So what is the ortho position here? So then, so it will form a compound like this. CH2. For better understanding, I am writing like this. CH2, Cl. Okay, right. Again, so it will react with AlCl3 again. So what is happening? So this is alkyl halide. So lone pair of electrons. So forms a coordinate complex. After that, cation here, electrophile. So this electrophile will attack on other moiety ortho to ring activating groups. Then we will get a compound like this, right? So this is the correct answer. So don't think about the other option. Write the product form. Write the product form when benzene. Write the product form when benzene reacts with cyclopropane in presence of HCl followed by catalytic amount of AlCl3 anhydrous. Okay, just think. So write the product form when benzene reacts with cyclopropane, first HCl followed by AlCl. Right. So here in this example, remember one point. So one point is, so make it as a note point, very important. When cyclopropane reacts with HCl, so opening of cyclopropane will take place. So we'll get CH3, CH2 and CH2Cl. So this compound will form. Okay. So remember this point. Right. After that, so this will react with AlCl3. So what will happen? That will react with AlCl3. This forms a coordinate complex with AlCl3. So this bond becomes strong, this bond becomes weak. After that, shift of electrons will take place towards chlorine. As a result, this carbocation will get and so this is a primary carbocation and this will undergo further rearrangement. 1,2 hydride shift will take place. Then finally we will get isopropyl benzene is formed as a major product. Isopropyl benzene. Okay, cumin. Isopropyl benzene. Cumin is a main product. Right. So now, so very important example. Very important. Okay, very important. So write the product form. Write the product form. Write the product form. I will take the same example. CH2, CH2, Cl. Okay. In presence of FeCl3 and ZnCl2. Right. Write the product form when propyl chloride reacts with benzene in presence of either FeCl3 or ZnCl2. I have written in the same example. Right. Generally, so what we will think? So there is no doubt. Initially, the lone pair of electron on chlorine forms a coordinate complex with either FeCl3 or ZnCl2. After that, strong bond will take place. After that, this will shift towards this one. After that, so CH2 plus will form. Right. CH2 plus will form. After that, what is happening? Right. This is primary carbocation. So that undergoing rearrangement from 1 to shift. Then we will get secondary carbocation that will attack on benzene. Then so we will write that in both the cases the product formed is cumin. Okay. In both the cases we will write that the product formed is this one. Right. So according to our previous examples. In both the cases, we will write the product, cumin is the main product, right? But this is wrong answer. Okay, this is wrong answer. CH3, CH3, CH3. Okay, this is wrong answer. Right. So why? Okay, I will explain the reason. So here, there is no doubt in the first step, it will form a complex like this. CH2, CH2, Cl. And it forms a complex with either FeCl3, okay, or ZnCl2. Okay, I will write for one. So what is happening? So this is less acidic when compared to AlCl3. As a result, so this bond will not completely polarize. Okay, so there is no complete positive charge on here. Okay, only partial positive charge is there here. Okay, the partial positive charge we will write as delta plus, del plus. The partial negative charge we will write as del minus. Okay, no complete positive charge. Okay, it's not completely carbocation. It's a partially positive charge here. So this complex will attack on benzene. So if it is completely carbocation, that carbocation will undergo rearrangement. But here it's not completely polar. This bond will not completely break. Why? Because this is less acidic character of FeCl3. The same thing will happen in ZnCl2 also. So there is no complete positive charge. There is no complete carbocation. Only partial positive charge del plus. This will attack on benzene. So then the product formed in both the cases is so there is no rearrangement. Okay, there is no rearrangement. We will get simply we'll get a product propyl benzene. Okay, CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay, this is the right answer. Here even ZnCl2 also less acidic when compared to AlCl3. That's why. So this bond will not completely polarize. So as a result, partial positive charge is taking place. No completely carbocation. So since there is no completely carbocation, no rearrangement. The product formed is a propyl benzene. Okay, N-propyl benzene. Write the product form. Write the product form. Several times we discussed this problem. Okay, CH3Cl, AlCl3. Okay, for comparison purpose only. AlCl3 anhydrous. Right. So methyl benzene. Methyl benzene. Toluene. Example 1. Example 2. Okay. CH2Cl. Dichloromethane. Dichloromethane. AlCl3. Anhydrous. Okay, I will write directly. You can write the mechanism on your own. The product formed is, okay, what is happening? CH2, okay, like this. Right. So write the product formed when benzene reacts with mechanism you can practice at your home. Chloroform. When benzene reacts with chloroform, AlCl3 anhydrous, AlCl3 anhydrous. You can practice the mechanism at home. I am writing the product, directly product. Okay, benzene C hydrogen and this is the product form. Right. So example 4, last example. When benzene reacts with CCl4, carbon tetrachloride, Friedel-Crafts undergoing Friedel-Crafts alkylation, AlCl3 anhydrous. Write the product form when benzene reacts with CCl4. So don't write that. Okay, don't write that on carbon 4 phenyl rings. Okay, so that is spherically crowded. So the product formed is so alkylation takes place only up to 3 phenyl rings only. Up to 3 phenyl rings only. Okay, Friedel-Crafts alkylation will take place up to 3 phenyl rings only. The product formed is chloro. So further that will not undergoing Friedel-Crafts alkylation to attack on benzene. Right. So this is the important example. Right. So coming to some important points related to the order of reactivity. Okay. Now reactivity of alkyl halides in Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay. We discuss reactivity of alkyl halide. Reactivity of alkyl halides. Reactivity of alkyl halides in Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay. This reactivity of alkyl halides in Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Reactivity. So this reactivity order will differ from. So in Friedel-Crafts alkylation, the reactivity order is one type. In Friedel-Crafts acylation, the reactivity order is another type. Okay. Now come and see which alkyl halide readily undergoing Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Fluoro, chloro, bromo and iodo. which alkyl halide will readily undergoing Friedel-Crafts alkylation, right? Okay, very important. Okay, so based on our knowledge, what we'll think is so iodo is a okay, good leaving group. Okay, so we'll think that so based on leaving group tendency. Generally, we will think about based on leaving group tendency. Based on leaving group tendency. So since iodo is bigger group, so that will easily it will cleave. So it will form a carbocation easily. So then the reactivity order is so alkyl iodide is more reactive than alkyl bromide is more reactive than alkyl chloride, which will be more reactive than alkyl fluoride. So that is we will decide on leaving group tendency. But if you write like this is wrong answer. This is a wrong answer. Why? I mean, so we'll see what is happening is here. Okay. So what is happening? So Rx, let us say, alkyl halide reacts with AlCl. Okay. Step 1, generation of the electrophile. All halides has a 3 lone pair of electrons to form a complex with the AlCl3 coordinate complex. Right. To give R X plus AlCl3 minus. In the next step, what is happening? So this bond undergoing cleavage, shift will take place from here. R plus AlCl3 X minus. Right. Suppose if this is the rate determining step, okay, step 2. Let us say step 2, and this is a step 1 in the generation of the electrophile. If step 2 is the rate determining step, so definitely based on the size of the halogen, if suppose it is iodo, definitely so that will this bond will definitely cleave very fast if it is iodo. Okay, right. But this is not rate determining step. This step is not rate determining step. If this is the rate determining step, so this order is correct. But this is not the rate determining step. The rate determining step is this one. Step 1 is the rate determining step. The rate of reaction will depends on this one. So what is happening here? Okay, the formation of coordinate complex with AlCl3 is the rate determining step. So now see, suppose halogen AlCl3. Okay, so if size of halogen is less, that will readily form a coordinate complex with AlCl3. If size of halogen is big, slowly forms a complex with AlCl3. Now tell me, which will form a coordinate complex faster, either fluoro or iodo? Definitely fluoro forms coordinate complex very fast. Okay, why? Because so if size is small, forms a coordinate complex very fast. Size is big, forms a coordinate complex slowly. So that means so it depends on the size of halogen. Okay, size of halogen. Right. So now tell me what is the rate of reactivity of alkyl halide? So the correct order of reactivity is fluoro is more than, chloro is more than, bromo is more than iodo. This is the correct order of reactivity of alkyl halides in Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Right. Remember, this is in Friedel-Crafts alkylation only. In Friedel-Crafts acylation, the rate of alkyl halides is completely different. That we will discuss in the Friedel-Crafts acylation. So remember, in alkylation, this is the rate determining step. So that depends on the size of the halogen. If halogen size is small, that will readily form a complex. Readily form a complex with AlCl3. Okay. So if it's readily formed means, so that is more reactive. In big halogen, slowly forms a complex. That means reactivity is less. Okay. Now, so coming to the next point. Now, last topic in Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Drawbacks. Drawbacks in Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Drawbacks in Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Last point, last topic. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. The few drawbacks are there. Few drawbacks. One. Okay. The first one is in Friedel-Crafts alkylation, carbocation is formed as an intermediate. So because of that, what is happening? So that is undergoing rearrangement. So we will get the unexpected products. Okay. So rearranged products are formed. Rearranged products. Rearranged products formed. Rearranged products formed. Okay. Because of alkyl. Okay. Alkyl carbocation. Right. Now, step 2. Okay. So I will explain this one. Step 2. Okay. So for example, benzene reacts with CH3Cl in presence of AlCl3. So we will get a toluene. Right. We will get a toluene. So as I mentioned in the first example, the reaction should be at a low temperature. The reaction should be at a low temperature. And even either if you increase the temperature or if you take excess CH3Cl, so what is happening here? Either increasing of temperature or excess CH3Cl, whatever the product formed, it contains a ring activating groups that will further undergoing electrophilic substitution reaction. So the product formed is, so we will get another electrophile attack at the ortho position, right, like this. Okay, right. So what is happening here? Either the reaction will run at higher temperature or we will take the excess amount of the acid chloride. So whatever the product formed toluene, that will further undergoing Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So since that is a ring activating group, again it will form a electrophile that will attack at the ortho position to here. We will get a product like this. Okay. So product further undergoes Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay. Product further undergoing Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So number 3. Okay. So let's see here. I will write. Benzene reacts with CH2 double bond CHCl, or benzene reacts with chlorobenzene. Okay, in presence of AlCl3. Let's see these two examples. When benzene reacts with vinyl chloride or when benzene reacts with chlorine benzene in presence of AlCl3, we won't get any product. Okay, why? Because so see, it is not possible to break this one. Okay, this lone pair is in conjugation with this double bond. This lone pair is in conjugation with this double bond. It is very difficult to break this CCl bond. That's why, so there is a drawback. Vinyl and aryl halides will not undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay, I will write point 3. Vinyl and aryl halides. Vinyl and aryl halides will not undergoes Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay. Now you can see. So these are the drawbacks. Few drawbacks. Okay. Reagent products formed, but is because of the carbocation. Further alkylation takes place. That is because of ring activating alkyl group, and because of so not forming of the carbocation, vinyl and aryl halides will not undergoing Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So this is about Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss about Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay. Right. So follow the class. Okay. Practice very well. All the very best. Thank you.